Unpacking the Meaning, Quick Set. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a special topic to discuss that might seem simple at first glance but is actually quite interesting when you dive into it. We are going to talk about the phrase, quick set. What does it mean? How is it used? Let's find out together. Quick set is a phrase made up of two words, quick and set. Quick is an adjective that describes something happening at a fast pace or speed. Set can be a verb, noun, or adjective, depending on the context. As a verb, it means to put something in a particular place or position. As a noun, it can refer to a collection of things, and as an adjective, it can describe something that is resolved or determined. When combined, quick set can have different meanings based on the context in which it is used. 2.1 in sports. In volleyball, a quick set refers to a type of pass that is quickly given to the hitter, allowing them to attack the ball before the opponents are ready. Example: the setter performed a quick set, catching the opposing team off guard. 2.2 in construction or crafting. Quick set can also refer to a type of adhesive or cement that dries quickly. Example: make sure to position the tiles correctly before applying the quick set mortar, as it will dry fast. 2.3 in everyday language. Sometimes, people use quick set informally to describe organizing or arranging something rapidly. Example: let's do a quick set of the chairs before the guests arrive. When using quick set in a sentence, pay attention to the context to ensure that it makes sense. It is usually used as a noun phrase, and it often describes an action or object that is characterized by its speed and efficiency. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, quick set. We hope this has shed some light on how versatile and interesting English phrases can be. Remember, understanding the context is key to grasping the meaning. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.